What's up, y'all? It's your favorite internet chef. We're gonna make some honey garlic chicken thighs. Throw it in the crock pot. We're gonna put 12 thighs up in here. So we got a big old family that needs some feeding. All right, y'all, so we got all our chicken thighs down in there. Next, for the good part, we're gonna put in some soy sauce, just kind of generously go over it. I'm gonna do about a half cup's worth of ketchup. A little more. Oh, nice. And we're gonna throw in about a half cup's worth of honey up in there. Hence the honey garlic name. This is looking good. We're gonna do a couple of generous servings of some minced garlic. Some onion powder. I'm not doing official measurements for all this. It's kind of to taste, however much seasoning you tend to like, you can do. Oregano. All I know is this thing's gonna have some flavor, that's for sure. And I like me some flavor. We're gonna do just a quarter cup of water we're gonna pour over it. And finally, a couple of tablespoons of cornstarch. All right, once you have all that in there, just kind of mix the ingredients together. Just give it a light smoothing over the top. All right, y'all, then we just put the lid on, and then we're gonna come back in 4 hours and check on it. And we're just gonna do one little last step before it's done, and I'm gonna eat it. All right, let's check on these honey garlic chicken thighs. Whoa, look at all them things.
Whoa. Oh, they're falling apart in the best way.
Good. Oh yeah. Okay, moment of truth. Ooh, that even just fell apart. I couldn't even get the whole thing off. That's why it's so nice cooking chicken in a crock pot, because of how tender it gets. Oh, that's so good. And then as a final little topping for these, it's recommended doing some sesame seeds on top. It's a final little garnish. All right, let's give it a try.
Wow.
Oh, it's like shredded almost. Not even almost. That really has a great flavor. You know, if you want to get some meat ready for like a week to feed your family and stuff, this is a great little recipe if you want a little flavor instead of just plain old chicken. Give it a try.